Here's why I haven't watched a YouTube guru in months. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now I'm doing this quick ass video just because it occurred to me the other day that, yo, I haven't watched like a YouTube tips video or a YouTube secrets video in like 3-4 months now, right? Because a couple months ago I actually put out a video talking about pretty much like how, you know, YouTube is unpredictable and you need to just kind of just follow your own passion, follow your own heart when it comes to YouTube. And ever since I made that video, like I've kind of, you know, I've been doing it because I haven't been watching like all of these gurus with all of these tips because like I said in a previous video, like you got to figure out what works for you straight up. And I know, because it's YouTube, I know it's very hard, you know, to pass up watching a video that says, you know, this is how to get 1 million views. This is how to create the perfect title. This is how to have the perfect thumbnail. I get it. You know, shit, I watch most of them videos, right? But that shit just get tiring after a while, especially when I feel that like no one really knows the concrete strategy, you know, that people need to everybody go viral, or everybody has YouTube channels that make $10,000 from their YouTube ads every month. I don't believe that. Now, I think there's gurus out there who are smart. They're good at coming up with ideas. They're good at split testing and things. But for you to sit there and just, oh, I'm gonna buy this course, and just because I buy it and go through step by step, I'm going to make 6 figures from YouTube. Don't believe that's the case. I don't. Now, what I will say is, I strongly believe that anybody can be successful on this platform. I do. But I also believe that everybody has their own path to get to their success. Like if you find somebody, because back in the day, you know, a lot of the big YouTubers, they used to tell you, you know, you got to find somebody, you know what I'm saying, pretty much mimic what they do, but just do it a little better, right? That was like the idea before. And I don't know, maybe they're still saying that. But it's like, okay, like you can actually find another YouTuber and literally create the same subject video, same everything, even same thumbnail, make it maybe just a little better. Maybe make the title just a little better. And with all that being said, your ass still might not blow up. Your video still might not be getting a lot of views, right? But you could, on the other hand, turn around and be like, you know what, I'm just gonna do whatever the hell I want. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this thumbnail. It's alright. You know what I mean? I like it, right? The subject of the video, what I wanted to put up. That's the video that might get you 50,000 views in a month. That's the video that can get you 100,000 views, right? So you don't really know. And I'm saying this because I've been on YouTube for a long ass time. I've had, I don't know how many damn channels. So I'm just telling you, like, I've had videos with the shittiest quality possible that had, you know, 50,000, 100,000 views. And I had videos that I really like thought, you know, the title was dope. I thought the thumbnail was cool. You know what I'm saying? Description was full. And that video ain't do a damn thing, right? So if you're trying to get into YouTube, and I understand when you first get started, yeah, you want to watch, you know, all the gurus and get all the tips and tricks and secrets. That's fine. Do that shit for like a month or so. Or, you know, maybe once a week, watch a YouTube tip video or your favorite guru. But do not get so consumed with trying to figure out all this YouTube, how to be successful, that you're wasting time. A lot of times people spend more time watching other YouTubers, getting other YouTubers rich, than actually working on your own channel. You know what I'm saying? There's only so many times you can hear about the perfect title, right? And then different gurus got different things. Some gurus be like, yo, keep that shit simple. Some gurus say you want to be just shocking and just all these keywords in it. Like, shit, you just got to try it. See what works for you and what you trying to do. That's the only real way to go about YouTube in my opinion. So no, I have not been watching all the YouTube gurus, and I have no real plan on doing so.